HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro Review. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce Huawei's newest smartwatch, the Watch GT5 Pro, which combines elegance and performance to offer a unique experience to its users. Come on, before we get into the details, let me give you a little reminder, my dear friend. Don't forget that while it took me hours to make this video, it only takes 3 seconds for you to like it and subscribe to the channel. You are my motivation. If you like my video and subscribe to the channel, I promise that I will make even more beautiful and cutting-edge tech videos for you. Don't waste time, subscribe now, and activate your notification bell. Now, let's take a closer look at the HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro, which combines elegance and functionality. Have a good watch. Design and materials. The HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro is made of aerospace-grade titanium alloy and nanocrystalline ceramic. These materials make the watch both durable and stylish. With 46mm and 42mm case options, it is possible to find a model for every wrist. The octagonal bezel surrounding the oval display gives the watch a modern and elegant look. Also, the sapphire glass screen provides extra protection against scratches. Dude, a little reminder. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The latest technology videos are waiting for you. Display and user experience. The watch's 1.43-inch AMOLED display has a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and a pixel density of 326 ppi. This makes the display look extremely clear and vivid. The touchscreen provides fast and fluid operation. You can also personalize your watch with various watch faces. You can choose from hundreds of different designs on Huawei's watch face store. Dude, a little reminder. If you like the video, click like now so we can reach more people. Sports and health features. HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro reaches a new level in sports and health monitoring technology. Thanks to the TrueSense 6.0 system, data can be tracked more accurately and quickly. The watch supports different sports modes such as golf, freediving, trail running, and running form analysis. Stay Fit and emotional well-being apps allow you to track your health and mood. You can also improve your sleep quality with advanced sleep tracking. Dude, a little reminder. Subscribe now and I'll make more great content for you. Battery life and performance. This smartwatch also stands out with its long battery life. It offers up to 14 days of battery life in normal use and up to 8 days in intensive use. The 524 mAh lithium polymer battery provides 336 hours of use according to the manufacturer. In addition, thanks to its fast charging feature, it provides 1 day of use with just 10 minutes of charging. Equipped with Kirin A1 chipset, the watch offers high performance and low energy consumption. Friend, a little reminder. Your support means a lot to me. Join me on this journey with a like and a subscribe. Connectivity and other features. HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro provides fast and stable connectivity with Bluetooth 5.2. It can also track location with built-in GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou support. Thanks to its NFC feature, you can make contactless payments. With its water resistance feature, you can use it underwater up to 50 meters, which is ideal for swimming and other water sports. It also has 5 ATM and IP69K waterproof certifications. Dude, a little reminder. Subscribe to the channel and activate your notification bell. Don't miss anything new in the world of technology. Current price. The current prices of the HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro in the US vary depending on the model and features. For the 46mm version, prices range from $379 to $448. Prices may also vary according to case size and strap options. Dude, a little reminder. Remember, every subscriber and like gives me the motivation to create more content. Conclusion. HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro is a smartwatch that attracts attention with its elegance, durability, and superior performance features. If you are looking for a watch that will accompany you both in daily use and in sports, you should definitely consider the HUAWEI Watch GT5 Pro. The features and performance of this watch make it one of the best smartwatches on the market. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Each like and subscription motivates me to create more content and share the latest tech products with you. Also, if you subscribe and activate your notification bell, you will be notified instantly about my new videos. See you in the next video. Take care and stay in the tech world.